Today we're in Manay and we're gonna explore around and see what we can find. We were riding along and it's in this river and there's a sign saying waterfall, so I'm not sure, just walking along the track and see where we end up. The river has naturally cut this, like, I don't know, it looks like a man-made channel through the mountain. Wow. And the riverbanks are all sandy, like beach sand. And the water is a beautiful, beautiful color. And our friend Jun Jun is showing us, there's a waterfall up here, so it doesn't surprise me. Another Philippine secret. They seem to be endless. Actually, Koya, I was feeling a bit tired, so this will wake me up. My daily shower. Ooh. Woo. Philippines never just did surprise me. Hanging onto those rocks and then the water running down is the ultimate shower. Look at this, like a stairway to I'm not sure, maybe a hidden paradise. It's like natural stairs. Oh wow, look at this. I think it's a cave. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't realize this waterfall is coming out of the mountain. Hello. Oh my god. That's coming straight from Mother Earth. Oh, I'm so scared to go in there. That's Simple Living Queenie, just putting the fire on the coconut husks, cooking the banana in the pot, catching the little fish in the water and cooking all at the same time. That's Philippine living. I never tried banana in Chile. Right, I'll try. Because I'm in the Philippines. Oh. So what? Oh, so hot.
Yes, and it's spicy chili. It's very hot.
Oh, good. Salamat. I really like your way of cheap living. Another Philippine secret.